Host more open houses. Some people say the open house thing is a dead thing, right? Like I said, I did an episode with a lender who has his own podcast, and we talked about this, and he said open houses are like the dinosaurs, right? Normally when he shows up at open houses, it's only him and a listing agent, and they're just having a conversation, killing time. I said this is true, but make sure you like, share, and subscribe. That is how you help the channel grow. And also, if you're looking to buy, sell your house in Maryland or DC, my contact information is in the description below. Thank you. I've hosted open houses where it was packed with buyers, and I've walked buyers into open houses where, my goodness, 3-level house. Every level you go to, there were buyers. There were cars in the driveway leaving and coming by. Strategy in that is pricing it accurately, marketing it for a while. And normally it's not going to be the 3rd, 4th, 5th open house that gets this kind of traffic. It's that very first open house. You want to market it for a while and then price it accurately. Talk to your sellers. Say, trust me on this. This is why I'm the expert here. Don't be arrogant, but at least say, please trust me on this. If you go with this price I'm giving you here, we're going to sell fast and maybe even sell for more. And when you get that open house with a house that's priced accurately and well decorated, and you also put some really good pictures out there on the internet, that first open house gets a lot of foot traffic. And also, don't do an open house with like 6 hours in a day, 7 hours, because the buyers can trickle in one at a time. They can not run into each other. What you want to do is create FOMO, fear of missing out. You want all of them to be there at the same time. So just a 2-hour window. 1 hour may be too short. 2 hours. When they see each other. That has happened to me on the buyer side. It has happened to me on the listing side. When my buyers saw a bunch of people in that house, they didn't get the listing, but they submitted an offer instantly. When I was a listing agent and I'm in the kitchen talking to a buyer, and another buyer is walking by the hallway, another buyer is in the backyard, another buyer is in the master bedroom, we got an offer the following day. Trust me, fear of missing out. Open houses is still a thing. And always have a sheet, or some people have a tablet now, where people can sign in when they get in. Those are buyer clients. You want to ask them if they're represented. If they're not represented, there you go. That's how you meet more buyers, you meet sellers. Neighbors are curious. I think one of those people at one of those open houses I had was a seller who had their house for sale down the street. They just wanted to see the competition. You know, grow your database, create social media content. We already talked about that.
Ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.